Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can share live location on Instagram. So first step you need to do is to open Maps. Click on that and you need to select your location. Then you need to click on Share Location and then you need to click on Copy to Clipboard. Then you need to go back and you need to open Instagram and click on the messenger icon on the top right, and I want to share with my this friend. Click here, then you need to click on Control V, click send, and now you can see that my location is shared with my this friend. So this is the process that you need to follow. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.